Hey guys, this is Steve Ramos with buildingsarecool.com, and I'm standing on the 7th floor of the new Tides IV Condominium project. And this project is under construction, but what I'm looking at is a view of the Charleston Harbor. And then if I look closer down at my feet, what you will see is I'm standing on the formwork for the next concrete pour for the concrete slab of the 7th floor. And there's a whole lot of stuff on the floor, and I'm just going to briefly talk about what this stuff is. The black bars are, that's steel rebar, and then the yellow cables, those are post-tension cables, and those are pretty cool. If I kind of look around, you can see that those cables are actually draped all over the slab, and they're actually purposefully draped in kind of a curvaceous pattern. And what happens is these cables stick out the end of the slab, and you can see a few there sticking out. That the sheathing is yellow, so when they cut the sheathing off, you can see the black cables exposed. What they do is they actually jack those cables tight while the concrete is curing. So what it does is it puts all of those cables in tension, which makes for a much stronger, much more rigid concrete slab. And then you can see down here, they look like giant nails, just for scale. Here's my hand, so you can see these things are massive. Those are called studs or shear heads, and what they do is they lap the cables around those studs as well as the steel rebar. And this is actually where there's going to be a concrete columns. That's what that rebar is there. So these shear heads tie all the cables and the rebar together, again, to make a much stronger construction, or much more stronger concrete slab. So that's just a real quick overview of post-tension concrete. But how about that view?